Alright, good evening YouTube. This is going to be my first video for diagnosing a 2001 Ford Expedition 4.6 liter V8 Triton. Now the issue is this vehicle will crank not start, and after a lot of the research online, a lot of forums and a lot of dead ends, and replacing a fuel pump, fuel filter, and a few other things, cleaning out the mass airflow sensor, just a general diagnosis, found out that it was actually the key. Now with Ford, they built these keys with the chips in them, and visually you can't tell any difference at all except for the Ford logo. This is just the aftermarket key that's been reprogrammed by Walmart, I believe is where we got that one. Alright, so first we'll shoot the crank no start, which will be this. Then we'll show no changing at all, no timing, nothing with the camera changing, with the actual start. So here we go. Crank no start, Walmart key that was reprogrammed, not very well apparently. So as you can see there, that was with this key that was supposed to be reprogrammed by Walmart, and it obviously has not been. So now we'll go on to the actual Ford key and see what happens with that. And that was with the Ford key itself, with the proper programming chip inside. So what we'll do now, cut this off and put my camera back inside the vehicle so that I can show you exactly what it looks like from the inside. Alright, so here we are inside of the Ford Expedition 2001 4.6 liter Triton, and we are going to be testing the crank no start with a misprogrammed key or incorrectly programmed key, and the actual Ford key that has the proper chip inside of it. It's been programmed and all that good stuff. Now the creators of Ford over there, the big wigs over there, thought it was a great idea to put these little theft devices inside. As you can see, it's flashing on mine right now, and I guess I'm just too lazy to go to the dealership to have them make it stop flashing. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you with the unprogrammed key exactly. Sorry, my light decided it wanted to get hit with a good Kansas burst of wind. So this is the programmed key from Walmart. If you'll notice, when I go to start the vehicle, theft flashes sporadically and very quickly. I'll turn it back off here. And once again, you can see it really thinks you're stealing something. And that was with the pre-programmed key from Walmart. Now what we got here is the actual Ford programmed key. Yeah, get it focused in on there. Okay. And this is what it's properly supposed to do. When you plug it in, turn it over, 1, 2, 3, that light goes off, and then you're able to start the vehicle. No problem, no harm, no foul. Once again, this is with the actual real Ford key that has the proper programming. 3 seconds delay, off, and crank it. And just for giggles, I'll just go ahead and show you what it looks like and sounds like from this side with the pre-programmed incorrectly key from Walmart. Sporadic blinking. And look at that. No start. Alright, I hope this has been informative, and subscribe to my channel. Do lots of military tribute videos, and I'm going to start doing vehicle diagnosis videos. Thanks.